What's up, fellow gamers? This is your host, Player One, and we are back. How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm just doing great. We're back today with Autonauts, I think it's called. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Yeah, so we're gonna do some stuff here. I want to show you guys how to create a new game, start it up, and get a simple tree farm, automated tree farm. How to get infinite wood. So I'm gonna try to do this and get this video under 30 minutes and go from there. Let me show you how to start a world up quickly. Just go ahead, hit new game, and it puts you through this cute little animation. And it gives you a choice. You could do free. I think it unlocks all structure, creative, complete freedom. But we can do colonize because that's the best way to play, right? Yeah, there you go. A good world, a lot of spots. I prefer to start over here though. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's get this a start. So let's go ahead and get this a name, right? I think we're just gonna call it our little tutorial. Let's play world. Right, that's what we're gonna call this for now, and then let's go ahead and hit start. It tosses you into the world. You should be good to go. There wouldn't be much issues. Let's get this started up, and we'll get right back as soon as the game let me in. All right, so in the beginning, it just drops you here. I forgot to turn tutorial off, but there's a tutorial in the game that goes through everything. Oh, there you go. We have all that already. I'm just gonna end the tutorial because that's not what this is about, and then we're gonna go through. So you have a little area. This is all you have. You can use your keypads to scroll and see what's in the area, but there's not much in here, right? And as you actually explore an area, it'll open up a little more, as you can see. But that's not what we're here for today. Let's get going into getting this tree farm going, which means we gotta find a spot that has trees. I think over here might have tree. Over here should have. Let's see what's on this side. Beautiful. So if you find these dirt patches, a good chance you'll find a lot of trees there. Which sucks because over here is where they always start you off with like a little bit of getting start resource. You need a little wood, little stick, they're all over here. So let me go ahead and see if I can get this tree farm set up in under 30 minutes and show you guys how to do it. Okay, so if I haven't said it right, the goal is to create an automatic tree farm where you don't have to do anything. So we're gonna need one of these. We're also gonna need a bot assembly station. I'm gonna need some storage, and you can move stuff. If you go here, just click that. You could click and drag. You can move that around. All right. So perfect. So let's get these set up. We'll start with this table here, right? So we need a log and 2 log and 2 sticks. So you just left click to pick up and right click to place. So let me go ahead and get these things built and I'll be right back. All right, so we can't really go farther than this, right? So all we need now to do is click on this and do a crude pickaxe. That's what we need to build. So we need a stone. I know I saw a bunch of them over here. I wish they were closer. So I'm just gonna grab a bunch of them. If you look at your hand over here, you could usually hold that many items. So I could hold 4 different stones in my hand. So I'm just gonna grab 4 now. And if you press Q, you could put an item in your backpack, so it makes you hold 5, which means I could do about 5 tools. And let's come over here and just store it, because we're gonna need a few crude axe. And since I think I pick a bad spot, because I don't see any stone around here, well, we could always move these operations later on. So now that we have our axe, right? If you look to build this, we need planks, and planks are pretty simple to get. An easy way to see what item you need, just click on this book, and if you go over here to the blueprints and look for the one you need. If you click on plank, it tells you an axe plus log gets you plank, and poles, an axe plus plank gets you poles. So let's go ahead, let's build our first robot. We're gonna go chop some planks. I need, what's it? I need 3 planks and 2 logs. And right click on the spot to put down your tools because we don't need it anymore. Grab 1 more. So we're gonna build a robot pretty soon. Alright guys, so we got the robot assembly done. And you see, it's telling you what you need to build a robot. You need plank, you need log, planks, pole, right? So let's go ahead and build our first robot. Grab some of this. Wait, I'll need planks. Let's grab some of that. How many planks do I need? 3 planks, right? So we're gonna chop this up. And I haven't cut down a tree yet. So I'm gonna need to cut down a few trees because I need 1 log. So let's cut a tree down now. And I'm just clicking on the items that I want to use. And we need to make a pole, which is just 2 of that. All right, let's put on our pickaxe, right? Pick up the pole, put it in our backpack by pressing Q. And just pick up 3 of these. Grab it on. Let's grab that acorn, and we need a log too. Now to build an automated farm, you need a bot that's cutting down trees, a bot that's replanting trees, and a bot that's digging for you. So we need about at least 4 bots to get this going. So here's bot number 1, right? So what we're gonna do with him is let's go ahead and make another crude pickaxe because we're lazy and we're not gonna be doing that all day. So we make that one. Let's grab our old one and put it up here. Because you can't put a tool when this is empty, but you can stack a tool like that. So if you press the space bar, it'll blow that whistle, and then you click on the robot you need. Go ahead and name these guys. You definitely want to try and name them because it makes your life a little easier. So tree cutter is cool. And click your little record button, right? So what you want to do is have him come, click on the pickaxe, pick up a pickaxe from here, and click this little repeat button. Just tell him do this until your hand is full. So once you have an item in his hand is full. Then you want me to come over here and cut down trees. And there you go. That's the simple command. Now to make this work efficiently, you want to create a repeat, and you can click and drag this repeat thing up anywhere. So hold control and click on all 3 of these and toss them in there. And change here, repeat until hand's empty. So he'll do this until his hand's empty. Then you put all that in another loop. This is forever. So he will never stop doing it. Maximum. And just do like this. I'm trying to get the most real estate for my buck, my bag for my buck. And go ahead and hit OK. And hit your little play button. He's gonna go, as you see, grab the crude axe and start working. Okay, so he's gonna go, you see, right to work. Now we need another robot to go ahead and plant in this area for us, right? I need another bench to do that. Because I want to have them have their own bench so I don't have to make tools for all of them. So let me go ahead and see what I could do with that. We need 1 more of these. I'm actually gonna need 2, but I'm just gonna put 1 down for now. All right, so they're making this. What I want to use this to do is make a shovel for me. So let's grab one of this. We're gonna come here and click shovel. Put that, and the recipe is the same as a pickaxe. I mean a axe. But we're gonna need 2 of them because of how to teach them. Now we also got to make a robot, which is gonna be a little bit more fun to do. So let's go ahead and grab the plank, put it over there. And you guys see how I do a robot 100 times. I don't have to show you again. It's gonna be the same thing. Alright, so we're back. So this guy, let's charge him up, and what we want him to do is a similar setup to this guy, right? This little robot icon over here, you can click on this and it'll show you his area. So what I want to do is this guy, spacebar, hole digger, let's call him that for now, right? And then we'll hit record. He'll come over here, he'll pick up a shovel, right? Same code as last time, right? until your hand is full. Then come over here and just dig a hole. Beautiful. And as usual, just have him do it until his hand is empty, and you can hit control and do all that stuff. Just click on this little question mark here, click max area, and you want to make sure this is in the same area as the other one. So if you come back here and let's just stop him for now. I want to see the area for this one. Yeah, see, they're both in the same area, right? We ain't got to worry too much. They'll work in the exact same area. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this shovel back so this guy has one, and let's start him up. So we oh no, we forgot the forever loop. Forever, tell me to do it forever. If you don't put this big forever, it'll break. Start, there we go. He's gonna run that forever. He's gonna keep digging holes. Now we need a third robot. So we're gonna grab this one, press Q, and grab a log. And like I said, if you're playing this game by now, you're well aware how to make robots. I don't have to show you all day. So I'm just gonna get into the I'm gonna come back when I finish making the robot. Alright, so we got our last piece for this, and I'm only like 17 minutes in so far, but I think we're doing pretty good. Don't do that. Right click, grab the pole, we dropped it. So I think we're only about 17 minutes in according to what my software is telling me. So we grab our last bot. Alright, same setup, right? You come to this guy, grab him, seed planter, simple. Hit record, you tell him, hey, dude, come over here, pick up a seed. And there's a few ways you could do this one. You could have him go plant one seed at a time. I like to have him do it until his hand is full, and set that as the same area as these guys are working in. Right, I think that's the area. Hit OK, and now you need him to come and plant that. So you right click to use items, stuff like that. And again, it goes in another loop. Control click, and you do until hands are empty. Don't forget big loop, and don't forget to adjust this radius here, or as he won't plant properly. Right, hit start, and there you go. You have officially created a tree farm. The only downside to this farm is that you gotta charge these bots. Right, every now and then you gotta come back and charge these guys. And since I'm still under 30 minutes, let's go ahead and create a new bot. Let's get rid of that charging. That charging is for suckers. We're not doing all that. I'm gonna put one bot to charge all these bots, and then all I have to do is charge that one. Look at that, we even got an achievement. And our little hat thing is growing. Alright, come on. You're killing my valuable time. I get it, I get it. So we have that. And see, like, this guy is dead. I don't want to deal with that. So there's one more thing you could do, right, that I forgot to do. For seed digger, hit stop and hit record again, and click this little icon here. What this tells him is if you can't find a seed in that area, jump to the next one. Pretty much, if you can't finish this area, jump to your other place, and it'll go ahead and just continue from there. So like right now, he can't find any more seeds here. Instead of him stopping, he'll just go to the next area, and then he'll do his work in that area. Seed digger, anybody that's doing stuff like that's a good one to do that with. So perfect, we have two guys that are dead, right? So let's charge him up. Hit that little button. We're gonna call him charger number 1. And please make your own name ups, be more creative than I'm being. I'm not really. This is just easier for me. Click on the bot that needs to be charged. He's gonna come charge, and he's gonna select an area. Click on the little icon again, extend. Try to keep it in the same area you've been doing all the time. Hit OK. These guys could do 2 different areas. So click on the next bot and have him do the same charge for a second area. Max area. And I like to do other areas where I know I'm gonna have robots. And over here is gonna be another bot spot for me for now. So hit OK. And don't forget to put that in a forever loop. And you wanna do forever, scroll down, here it is, and make sure make sure you click this icon for both of them. You definitely don't want to have this not click, or is it a break? Click both of them. The only thing is you need 4 kilobytes. Each kilobyte is 1 line item. And you need 4 to make one, so we can only do 3 of these guys at once. So go ahead, hit start. So from now on, the only person you need to charge is this guy. And the easy way to set all these things up, since I have a minute or two, is to go ahead and create groups. So create a team, and we'll make these guys the chargers. Wow, I was like, I don't know what's going on. Something seems wrong there. Click that, and just click and drag your robots in your different teams. So click this guy up here, toss him in there. He's a charger. We're gonna create another one called our lock team. Let's call it the tree team. So that just means these guys are making trees. You can change colors and stuff like that. And this gives you centralized command for everything else. Click somewhere, click OK, and just toss these guys in there. And I don't know if you guys saw what I was doing all that. This guy came over here and grabbed a pickaxe, a shovel. He broke his shovel, so he needed a new one. And that's pretty much it, right? When we come back, I'm gonna show you guys how to not have to make tools yourself, how to just go ahead and have these guys make your tools. But simply, that is how to make a simple little tree farm. And these guys are just gonna create infinite wood. Your biggest hindrance here right now is gonna be acorn. So the time it takes the trees to grow, the time it takes that. If you guys really want to enhance this, help clean this out. Dig up these squares here with a shovel. So here's a bonus tip for you guys, right? You see these turf? You can make these into grass blocks. I mean dirt blocks. So just come click on, right click on it, and your guy will dig them up. You can't dig up with an item on it, but yeah, you just come and dig, and there you go. And this way you can square out the area. You can have a bot do this for you too, right? And we can talk about it some other time. I ain't got time to go about that right now. We're out of time. So all right, folks, let me know if you guys want to see more about this, more like this. Go into the comment section on there and tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you guys want to see more of these little things. I think I have a few episodes I want to try out, and we'll go from there. So I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day, and I'll catch you guys later. Your host, Player One, signing out. Peace, folks.